I am Tabitha Betancourt and welcome back to my channel. This right here is the day I have been waiting for. 2 years of in the making. Decades of looking for the perfect item, the perfect size has now ended. It is no more. There is absolutely no more search. It has been finalized. You might be asking, why the dramatic intro, Tab? A little over the edge there, right? No, I don't think it's over the edge at all. In fact, I think it's well worth it. For years, my family, actually, let's start that over. For decades, my family has made Christmas candies. And when we say Christmas candies, we are talking the oh so decadent chocolate covered, white filling, coconut, walnuts. I know I just lost a couple of you with the coconut and I lost a few more with the walnuts. Creamy center covered in a crispy dark chocolate coating of goodness. Yes, bite into that and you are in heaven. So every year since I was in junior high, my family has been making these candies and we have been sharing them with our neighbors, family, friends, coworkers, anybody that walks down the block, people that we don't know, things like that. Usually people that we know. Why would you take candy from a stranger? It's like, why? So these are the boxes that I would walk around. They would hold only 3 of the chocolates, and really I wanted to give 4, but I could never really find a box that was big enough. These are wedding favor container boxes, and but I would need 2 to 3 packages every year, and they were about 16 cents a box. Now I'm making quite a few, and 16 cents, that's doable, but you know. So what I did was I took the box apart. It's only actually glued at this little tip right here, this little flap. And I ripped it apart and I started measuring. And I just started inputting. And I was going to grab a box that Cricut had already in that was available through Access. A lot of people have a Cricut, but they don't have Access because they just use it for their own stuff. So, you know, if I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna go to the trouble of actually recreating or altering a pattern, I might as well teach myself how to create the box out of just basic shapes and score lines. So I did. So it's down below for free because I used all of the basic shapes. This is free for anybody with a Cricut, Explore, Air, or above. Yes, yes, yes. I love free things. I'm like, really, I love free things. So I took this, inputted it in the Cricut, and I got this because I wanted one that was big enough inside this box to fit 4 candies. If you need more than 4 candies, you are my best friend. You are like my soul friend, right? We have 4 components here. We have the box, we have this little wraparound that kind of holds the box closed and it's lightly glued, and then we have the tag, and the Cricut wrote on the tag, and then we have this little string, and that's just baker's twine. It's really that easy, really. So I'm going to take you through the actual process of putting it together right now, and then we're going to come back and talk about it. So all you would do is download the free cut file that I have attached to this video. Each cut does 2 boxes. The first thing it does in the machine is it scores it, so you need the scoring wheel, and then it cuts them, the machine cuts them, and all you would do is, let's do this one, is you take it off the mat. So I go through, and this is the tab. This is the one that's going to hold everything. That's the only part of this box that will have glue on it. But you literally go through, just fold along the score lines, and you get them all folded. And then you put a dab of glue and you just hold it together. It doesn't take very long for the glitter glue to set. So you hold that together, and then you start assembling your box. And these have score marks. So all you do, pre-fold them and crease them right where the score marks are. After you fill the box, put one dab, little tiny dab of, I use art glitter glue. That's just because I like how fast it is to dry. Just hold it down for a second. And then you pick out one of your tags that you've pre-printed or pre-cut or pre-stamped and cut a little bit of twine. Probably the hardest part is fishing the twine through. Leave however long of a tail you want. Put one little dab of glue. Press. And wow, it's stuck already. And there you go. So for about 7 cents a box, I mean, this is like superb. This is like such a cute little gift. So amazing and delicate and decadent, and it's going to have chocolate in it. So who doesn't like chocolate? Don't tell me if you don't like chocolate. I just don't want to know. I don't think I could handle that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. My husband would say, smash that bell like 2019. It's almost 2020, people. What's he going to say for 2020? You got to have another tagline for 2020, right? Anyways, thanks for watching. It has been a total pleasure to make this file and share it with you. And as always, I will be coming up with more things to make, share, and have fun with. You guys have a great day out there and have a great Christmas. And if you use this box and you fill it with something, could you tag me on Instagram? It's at the Betancourts. Just tag me on Instagram with a picture of what you made. I would love that because that's just amazing. The more we can share, the better. And amazing boxes. Like, I finally created the file I've always wanted to create. Sorry if I woke up your children. I'm really sorry if I woke up the baby. Really, really sorry if I woke up the baby. I'm so excited. I'm like really excited. Sorry, Mags, I scared you. For 2 years, for 2 solid years. I guess that would be 4. No, we'll make it 2. 2 solid years. I have been wanting to make these. I have been wanting to figure out how. Those mints are like amazing. I'm like rambling, but I love to ramble. And if you haven't noticed at the end of my videos, if you watch ever for the end, after I put the credits, after I put the thank you for watching thing, I always put the stupid stuff. I always put the stuff I cut out always goes at the end. Yeah. Make something I'd always wanted to make. I always forget to turn the microphone on, so half of my video footage has no audio whatsoever. So when you see me kind of like going like this or making strange moves, it's because in my brain I'm like, crap, I forgot to turn the mic on again. Ugh! and I have to check. It's on though, so I'm good. So every